Hey, today we're going to give you my top tips for back pain. If it just happened, you just woke up with it, or you've had it for a while, this is one of the top things I tell people to do every day. So the first one is a standing arch or lumbar extension. You're going to place your hands on your hips, you're going to lean back, pressure on, pressure off. You should start seeing a decrease in pain. This is not an exercise you should work through pain. Pain at the end, but as long as you stop, you feel better, good sign. Hopefully you start seeing an improvement in motion. Second thing, don't stand for more than 30 minutes, even if you feel good. If you have no back pain, that's all right, but you want to be proactive. You want to get out of that position, not more than 30 minutes, set a timer on your phone. Last thing is I want you to move as much as you can. So I want you not to shut down because you're fearful of the back. Most back pain is nothing to be worried about. So good luck, move around, move as much as you can, do a little walking as tolerated, as long as it doesn't get worse.